everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to enable spam protection on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so if you feel annoyed because there are so many spam messages coming into your cell phone, don't need to be worried because you can filter message so that no spam message enter your inbox at all. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first is now you can go to message menu on your phone. And so yeah, and after that now you can click on the account, and then now you can go to message settings, and then now you can scroll down and then go to spam protection, and now you can enable spam protection so that no message spam will enter your inbox at all. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching.